Returning to Shib Kai, howdy, everyone. The Shiba Inu army was caught off guard by such turn of events. Today's Shib news: Shiba Inu, an Ethereum-based altcoin, appears to be among the top contenders for the title of best cryptocurrency to buy. This suggests that its developers may have had some optimism about the future. A certain number of people consider shibainu the main alternative to Dogecoin. The anonymous and synonymous Rashi created the decentralized cryptocurrency Shibainu token in August 2020. Shiba Inu was down by 8.33% over the last 24 hours, trading at 0.1222. This has been the general case for most cryptocurrencies over the past week. As the market is set to rattle again, this has been a general response across the market and may not indicate a specific issue with Shiba Inu over the past 7 days. With an overall market capitalization of $7,293,895,669, wallet investor has a forecasted Shib crypto to make impressive gains during the year, possibly hitting 284 just in time for the New Year party. In this video, we will discuss the unexpected turn of events that the Shibu army was unprepared for. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. The cryptocurrency industry has been experiencing a wild ride with lots of ups and downs and exciting new discoveries in recent years. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Shibainu, often known as Dogecoin's little brother, is a meme-inspired token that has made waves in the cryptocurrency world. Its meteoric rise to prominence has made its story one of the most fascinating ones in recent memory. Dogecoin and other Shibainu-like cryptocurrencies are modeled after popular internet memes and aim to provide a more playful alternative to serious cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, despite their humorous origins. Shiba Inu, a decentralized blockchain-based cryptocurrency that launched in August 2020, has quickly risen to prominence as a popular commodity in the cryptocurrency market. Established as a playful parody of Dogecoin, using the same Shibu dog mascot to generate interest, Shiba Inu has experienced phenomenal growth since then, driven by a vibrant community and ambitions for widespread adoption due to this blockchain's cheap cost, high liquidity, and ease of access. The strategy has paid off, and the dog-themed cryptocurrency is now worth around $7.5 billion. Its quick rise can be attributed to several factors. Getting there to begin with, the token's meme-inspired design has made them appealing to a younger, more tech-savvy demographic looking for a change in the cryptocurrency industry. Its rapid expansion is due in large part to its enthusiastic following of backers and investors, who see it as a chance to invest in an exciting new asset class. The Shiba Inu's unique economic model has also contributed to its growth. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu has a fixed quantity of 50 quadrillion tokens, with a significant portion of that amount locked up in a burn safe that is intended to decrease the total amount of tokens delivery time as affected by its rarity. The rising price of Shiba is a result of its popularity among investors who are looking to cash in on the next big thing. Who knows what the future holds for this coin, but there are some encouraging signals, such as its growing popularity and active community. However, the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, so the price of Shibainu could fall just as fast as it rises. Despite this, Shibainu has quickly become an interesting new asset in the cryptocurrency space, and its rise is an interesting story to watch over the next few months and years. Many investors think Shibainu's value could still reach a record high. After all, there are other cryptocurrencies with valuations surpassing $36 billion, so anything is possible. Sharem's much anticipated since the beginning of the month, progress on the LER2 protocol by Shiba Inu's team has accelerated significantly. This is due to the fact that the protocol's release is now scheduled for February 14th. An important component that will drive the adoption of various ecosystems is the Sharem protocol, which has been dubbed Valentine's Day. Innovations that are being promoted as a key component that will encourage the adoption of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It is widely believed that Sharem will play a pivotal role in the new Web 3.0 era. Sharem, whose codename is ED, is the Shiba Inu team's answer to Ethereum's scalability issues. Ethereum's blockchain can only handle around 15 TPS, which limits its practicality. These issues manifest in Ethereum-related gaming, decentralized finance, and non-fungible token transactions. A drawback of the Ethereum blockchain is the high cost of transactions. Users can speed up the processing of their transactions by bidding with their funds to have them prioritized by the network's validators. Since Shib transactions are now typically quicker and cheaper, their advent will help put a halt to these. There has been much anticipation for the launch of Shib, but the team has not officially confirmed a date, so there is still a lot of suspense. Shib will join the tens of Layer 2 protocols that are currently helping to facilitate Ethereum transactions before the protocol goes through the remaining stages of its proof-of-stake (POS) transition. The main objective of Shib is to improve the Ethereum protocol for everyone in the Shiba community. Shib will also be valuable for the Ethereum ecosystem as a whole, since it will accelerate the development of core features. As the primary digital asset of the Sharia protocol, the BONE token will be utilized for all types of gas payments for customers utilizing the Layer 2 scaling solution. Other Shiba Inu coins include Leash and Shib BONE. Since nearly all Shiba Inu members who want to use the Sharia protocol will need to acquire one BONE token for every BONE token used to pay a transaction fee, the market for BONE is already set up. A specific quantity of fuel can be burned by the system. The Shiba Inu team is working hard to build an ecosystem that benefits users in every way, and the Shib protocol is seen as a crucial piece in the puzzle. With the recent partnerships that Shiba Inu has scored, these milestones could be achieved much faster thanks to the interconnected nature of the two tokens. Data gathered by blockchain tracker Whale Stats shows that the crypto whale, who has been experimenting with the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has become one of the greatest holders of Shib after staking 9 figures worth of Dogecoin's biggest adversary this past month. Wall Stats reports that on January 13, a wallet belonging to an unknown origin only had approximately $3,900 in cryptocurrency. Since then, it has gone on an enormous accumulation binge, amassing almost 10 billion Shib tokens, which is equivalent to over $131. Among the top 5,000 largest whales on the Ethereum network, Shib has more altcoins than any other coin, not counting stable coins or ET itself. Before Oracle Network's chain-linked decentralized exchange to Unit, Shib is Ethereum whale's preferred altcoin. Out of the top 5,000 whales, Uniswap Uni and Virtual World Blockchain Decentraland Mana sold more Shib tokens than stable coins and wrapped W Bitcoin V on the basis of whale statistics. The Shiba accumulates whales. The Inu community is eagerly awaiting the launch of Shib, an Ethereum-based scaling solution that aspires to improve the network's efficiency and is comparable to Polygon. That's all for now. Don't forget to give Shiba Edu a thumbs up because they have a long and remarkable history in the terrain. The family and pack-orientated Shib might be the next big thing. Check out our newest videos by sharing and subscribing to the channel.